Hello, Alex. How are you? Hello, Osmar. I am fine. And you? I am very good. Tell me, Osmar, how about your job? Do you find the part-time job? Oh, yes. I find the part-time job at the airport. It is excellent. Thank you. What do you have to do at airport? I have to control the passenger equipage. What time do you work? I work 4 a.m. to 2 p.m. In the morning every day my car pick me. At 4 a.m. I am to prepare my breakfast. To take the work I am not take my breakfast at house. Then do you know every kind of people? Yes, I know very kind at people of different countries. And then you can study for the afternoon at the university. Yes, and I can go to the gym. It's next to the university behind to the Merced Church. It's excellent. Do you find the part-time job? Yes, I find the part-time job in a restaurant. What do you have to do at the restaurant? At the restaurant, I have to prepare coffees. I have to wash the dishes. I have to clean the tables. Where is the restaurant? It's at Mercaderes Street near Plaza de Armas. What time do you work? I work from 7 to 1 p.m. and then you can go to study at 4 night. That's good. We can go to visit Cañón del Colca on the weekend. It's an excellent place to visit. It's near Chivay. We can go on Saturday. It's excellent. We can go with Joel and Sophie. That's a good idea. But Sophie works and weekends she can not go with us. It's true maybe we call her. She is at the university. No, I can call her later. We can go to Susan to she know Chivay very good.